No, I don't think the automation will remove the need for human operators anytime soon. I think that the automation will move forward in the future for different machinery, but it will move forward with different speeds. And of course, there are already some available automation systems for different machinery for automating different kind of cases. And overall, I think that you should think of the automation moving forward with different machines in a way that we are not really automating full machinery, even though that's part of the use case in the future, but we are actually automating different kind of tasks that are done by the machines on the construction sites. So in a sense that what use cases or tasks can be automated, those can be identified pretty much the same way as in different industries. So if the use case is dull and tedious and repetitive, it's probably a good use case for automation, and it also just makes more sense to automate those. So overall, I don't think the automation will remove the need for human operators, but I think that it will just make their current work more easier and more meaningful.